Alright, let's take a look at Jamboard. So what Jamboard looks like when you first pull it up, you'll want to make sure you're signed in using your school Google account, and then you can create a jam. So a jam is basically just like a virtual whiteboard, so you can draw on it, you can share this with other people, and then they can really draw on it at the same time. It's kind of like a Google Doc in that way. So this is great for brainstorming. That's what we'll use it for mostly. There are some options, some assistive drawing tools. So if I want text to show up instead of my writing, I'm going to choose that one, and I might say something like engineering. See what it does. Hey, I figured it out. That's pretty good. All right, so now that's on there instead of my scratchy writing, which is pretty cool. You can also make some shapes. So this is really good when you're trying to draw some things conceptually. So maybe I'll make like an oval or an ellipse, which is a more technical term for that, or a square or a rectangle. I wonder if it does a trapezoid. Hey, check that out. It does. All right, so that's a cool feature as well. And then this one's really cool. So let's say you're trying to draw like a car. So I'm going to do a couple wheels here and that sort of thing. That's supposed to look like a car, and it's like, hey, did you mean to make a truck or a tractor or something like that? And I can go, yeah, actually, I really was hoping for that truck right there. Oh man, that's awesome. So, it just kind of gives me some options. That that one says maybe I was trying to do a sock or something, or maybe I have that going on right there. So nice, much better smiley face. And there were some other options. So apparently it looked like a nose or maybe a frog. All sorts of things. So that's all that to say. Those are some tools that you can use. Again, you can share this. All right, so you just share, and you can choose who you want to add access to, which is awesome, and ready to use. There's Jamboard.